Y'all ready?
Vince's output and his talent level is higher than fans acknowledge with him. That's a fact.
Now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
Vincent Chase. Brand name recognition.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
Vince's artistic mind and his creative vision.
Where we at, go?
All of these videos that he's directing himself. Vince, I argue, would probably be one of the best. Like, what can't Vince do?
It breaks my heart. They ain't believe in us. They play themselves.
When you look at him today, it all makes sense. It all makes sense, the vision. And Vince called up here and said he was underground. I'm saying that he's mainstream.
This shit for the sun seekers.
Vince is different.
Call me if you get lost.
And I'm watching that clip and I'm thinking, wow, not everybody can do that. Vince is so great, we have to change how we look at visuals.
What you gonna call us now?
So when this beat came on in the middle of this shit, that was a clear sign to me. It's about to go up. The guy is good. What do y'all want me to do?
I'm the all-time heavyweight champion. I'm leading the league in at least 6 statistical categories right now.
While you hating and being jealous, you could be over here embracing that love. More blessings, more life. You either win with us or you watch us win.
This shit is hard and expensive.
Cost $2 for sure.